Hello guys, so this video is showing how our student to remove a chuck and installing a chuck back after removing. Okay, so the lesson that they have learned is about that, how to remove and how to install a chuck. Actually, even though this one we are not doing on the real chuck with our lathe machine in the workshop, but we also can do a small one as the first step as sample ones. Yeah, it's easy to carry on from the workshop to here. It's one small one, so it's lighter than the real machines. Yeah, we're going to do one more when they know how to do it. We're going to record one more video, yeah, with the real chuck on the lathe machine in our workshop. So let's see together if they can do it or not for the first time here. And let's also see after the next video, they're gonna move the real chuck in the lab machines. Okay guys, so yeah, this one, I just divide them in group, yeah, in three group. Uh, yeah, and ask them to remove. So the first time they do it in group, and later on when they know how to do it, so we let them do it individually, yeah. And we're gonna set time constant to see who is the best of removing and installing the chuck, who is faster than others. Okay, so let's see together on this one. Yeah. Okay, so after they spending around 7 minutes, so they have removing and installing the chucks, yeah, confidentially, and yeah, they can do it. Okay, they can do it. So now they just installing back, and as you can see from the video here, they can remove and they can install the chuck back. And this, even though this one is small one, but the function and it look the same, right? So yeah, when they going to do the next one with the real chuck on the Lathe machines, I think they also can do it. Yeah. Okay, so in total of the video, I think after removing and installing back, I think they can spend, as in group, so they spend longer than individually. Yeah, they spend around, I think around 18 minutes for this one, including the test. Okay, after they installing everything, they test. They want to check whether it's work or not. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, so this one the first group that they can do it, and the next group they gonna be easier than. Yeah, like I said, so after the installing back, they going to test, yeah, the chart whether it's work uh, in the correct way or not. Yeah, let's check together. So in machining course, yeah, everything that we do, we need to test, yeah, we need to check to make sure that everything is safe and work in the correct ways. Yeah, to prevent any errors. Okay, and then we move to the next group, and this one in new group number 2. Yeah, I think this one they going to do is oh, sorry, not number 2. This one is group number 3. Yeah, the last group. Yeah, they can do it faster than the first one because they know how to do it. They observe, yeah, while the other group doing, so they observe, they know how to do. Yeah, so they going to do it faster and look like easier than the first group. Okay. Okay, let's see together whether they can do or not. Yeah, let's see. in this group, actually group number 3, they face a problem how to installing bags. So it's very hard to insert the man's mentor inside the chucks. So it's very hard for them to remove and to insert also. That's why they take a bit longer than the others. Yeah. But actually they can still do it. Okay, they can do it finally. So thank you everyone, and thank you for your watching and spending time with our video. Thank you so much.